Hi guys, welcome back to Rena's Kitchen. It's dinner time and today I am making lasagna rolls. I'm going to show you how I make my lasagna and spinach roll-ups. I have some meat here, my meat sauce. It's just really consists of ground beef, some spaghetti sauce while you season it with chili powder, seasoning salt. Um, just season it the meat the way you want to. And here's my meat sauce. Alright guys, so here I have my spinach mixture. And I have in here spinach. I use frozen spinach today. You can use frozen or fresh spinach. Either one is good. I've done it with both. I'm using frozen today. The one thing is if you use frozen spinach, make sure you drain it as much as possible so it won't be a lot of water in the bottom of the pan. So if you use the frozen spinach, make sure you drain it as much as possible. So I have the spinach and I have cream cheese and ricotta cheese. I mixed those together, add the spinach, and I added some seasoning here to it, some paprika, and I use this Creole seasoning. I love this Creole seasoning. I use it all the time. Some minced garlic here, oregano, and some seasoning salt. Did I say paprika? I'm not sure. All right, and in here I have some cheeses. I have the 6 cheese Italian blend, 3 cheese blend, and I have some mozzarella cheese. So I have my lasagna noodles here cooked. I didn't cook them all the way because I didn't want them to get soft and mushy inside of the oven because I'm going to put them in the oven. But these are cooked and seasoned. I seasoned them as well. It can be a quick and easy weeknight meal. It's real simple and it's real quick to make. I'm going to roll this up. Can you see me?
Mm-hmm. Wait, you?
No, me doing this.
Yeah.
Okay. This one I put a little too much in there, so it's kind of leaking. But it's okay. It's all okay. Yeah, it's still hot, so. Alright, so those are my 2 meat. So, now I'm going to put the spinach mixture. I'm just going to put it in there just like the meat. I hope you can see it. And I would advise you guys to please season the spinach mixture. It makes a difference. You don't necessarily have to, but it makes a difference when you season this spinach and cheese mixture. You guys don't worry, my hands are clean. I wash my hands multiple times while I'm in the kitchen. But I needed to get that off the spoon. And just sprinkle some cheese on top of here. Now, if you don't want to add the cheese to the top of the mixture, that's your choice as well. I mean, they're still good regardless. I've had them without the cheese and with the cheese on it. Either way, it's perfectly fine. So you just roll. Actually, I could put like 2 more in here. You guys, I went to the grocery store and I was just pulling up in the parking space, and while I was pulling up, a car was backing out, and I thought I was moving. I was freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, what's happening? And it wasn't me. It was the car beside me. Has that ever happened to you guys before? It was so weird. It was so strange. I wasn't even moving the whole time. It was just the car. It was just a car beside me. All right, so I'm going to roll this up. This one has a lot of cheese. Now, I'm going to top it with some more meat. Some more of this meat mixture here. Yes. Put the meat on here, and now I'm going to put some more cheese on top. If you like a lot of cheese, then my household likes a lot of cheese. I particularly don't, but
lame.
I guess it doesn't matter. Say I'm lame because I don't like cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I like cheese. I just don't like a lot of cheese.
Only way to have cheese is a lot of cheese. On some things, like lasagna.
Your macaroni and cheese.
And macaroni and cheese.
I'm going to top this with some Italian seasoning. This thing being stingy, like it don't want to come out. Take the top off. Oh. Alright, y'all. I'm going to put this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes, and I'll be back. So those are my lasagna rolls. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you do it any other kind of way. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And it's been real. See you next time. Have a good night.